What's going on here?
Oh, no.
We better take a look at this. I think Russell's stuck in the church. So, to the town here at St Peter and St Paul at Bergh Apton. About a mile away from Brook. Telegreen. We've got a large square 14th century tower. The clock on the north face. Let's go and take a look in.
Yeah. Yeah.
Weather's improved a little bit. Battle top to the tower. Big restoration in this church in 1838. Winning the reign of Queen Victoria. We can see that the north transept over there was added on at this particular time. We've also got a north porch. It's the west side of the tower. South porch. So it's been heavily restored. Repairs to the southwest of the nave. Yeah, it's quite a big tower, isn't it? So, south porch. Russell wants to find out if the door's open. He's being a bit pessimistic. Oh.
So it's going to be open by the looks of it.
So it's going to be open, yeah, as we come back in a moment.
Yeah.
Back in there.
It's very good open.
Old gravestone there from the 18th century.
Yeah.
And then we've got actually a very large graveyard.
Big, isn't it? Surprising.
It is, isn't it? Look.
Middle of nowhere, really. No sort of real village centre we've seen that.
Nave with wide tracery windows.
Big church.
South transept as well as the north transept.
Some grand church houses here actually, so perhaps someone sponsored it.
You can see on the east side of the tower, you see where there used to be a high nave roof.
Yes.
And round arch opening as well, by the looks of it. It's kind of odd. Seems to have been a doorway perhaps into the tower at some point.
Yeah, that's a change.
So there's the south transept. Going wide tracery windows, and you've got the south side of the chancel. Heavily cement rendered.
Yeah, look at that, yeah.
Looks like an 18th or early 19th century style window there. We've got a slightly porched priest door, gabled.
Yes, I knew it's big, isn't it?
Yeah. Georgian tablet monuments.
Yeah.
Quite a nice graveyard, really. There he is. So there's the east side of the chancel. There's like again a round-headed east window, probably from the 1838 restoration.
Yeah, the blocks are staying.
The Georgian style still in there, I think. Shed. There's a school round here, Russell. Is that the old school there?
It looks like it, could it?
It's the Beer Victorian School. Looks like that to me.
Entrance there, doesn't it? Yeah,
Like Victorian style school, doesn't it? North side of the chancel. Showing its early 19th century origins there. So the north transept, the 19th century. Got a war monument by the looks of it in the middle of the graveyard. The north wall of the nave. So we've got, what's this? Part of the north porch, I suppose, isn't it? Yep. World War One, War. It's a tall one. So, in through the south porch. It's a small doorway, isn't it? We've got some nice little medieval headstops. Nice one up there.
Yeah, it's a good one, isn't it?
One up there. Slightly warm, so you can still see the features.
So they were been outside, didn't they? Yes.
Yeah, got a nice map there.
Yeah, nice little.
That's where the church is. School Road.
Yeah. Good.
In we go.
Here we go again.
We've got a double door feature here.
Yeah, it's open now.
So we've got a big whack gallery at the west end. 19th century restoration. We've got a little library. At the back. That's the door through to the tower.
Yeah.
Tower arch, and that's the door through to the north porch, I suppose. So we've got a 15th century font.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
No base to it, really. Got the stem, the lines.
It's under the
It's
floor.
got East Anglian font, octagonal. Angels and lions and typical scenes, quite good nick.
Not bad, is it?
So there's your gallery.
Oh, yes.
In a Gothic-esque style. Queen panelling. There's your wide tracery windows. No aisles in this church, but it has got 2 transepts.
Yeah, it's unusual.
So we've got poppy-headed benches from the 19th century, I presume. All the way along there. 2 windows on the south side of the nave. You walk through here, and you got the north transept coming off on your left. Over the lectern, more benches, and that's fairly shallow transept.
Yeah.
Transept, not like the huge transepts you find in cathedrals.
No. Family, sort of a family, wasn't it?
Yeah, very shallow.
6th and last Viscount of Canterbury. Yeah, interesting.
Charles Graham Manners Sutton. The chairs in here.
Yes.
We got 19th century pulpit in the Gothic design.
Indeed.
I think the stairs going up to it might be a bit older. Russell's looking at the south transept, which now holds the organ, pipe organ. See the roof of the nave in arch braced.
Oh, you see a bit better now, the gallery, can't you?
Much in the way of monuments really here. We have stalls, benches as we head into the chancel. Stained glass.
It's mostly 19th century here, isn't it?
Very much so, yes. Altar. The quite small east window. Crucifixion scene. And no Rossini Sedilla, of course.
No.
Chancel being heavily restored in 1838. The priest door behind the Queen curtain. Just about to see what's going on here?
Oh, no!
Better take a look at this. I think Russell's stuck in the church. I think we opens 10 o'clock tomorrow, Russell.
Oh, I'm really nice.
We've got a dog bowl down there if you want to drink.
Drink me, yeah.
It's either that or the King's Head and Brook. Better get down there then.
Oh, yeah.